Hi, in this video I want to focus on the importance of knowing where your Unity project files are on your hard drive. So here I'm going to have a scene and I'm just going to add a plane. Okay, and for that plane I'm just going to reset the position just to have it. And what I want to do is I want to set a texture on the plane. So I'm going to go to my browser and I'm going to look for some seamless tile textures, and here we got some images. So I just pick one, say I pick this one, and when I save the image to my hard drive, well, let me pick a different one. I like this one. All right. No, you know what? I like this one. All right, say I save the image to my hard drive. I have to know where to put it on my hard drive so my project can use it. Okay, so let's go back and let's figure that out. Right here, this is the name of my project. The name of my scene is Untitled, and the project is Tutorials 1, Untitled Tutorials 1. But if I want to figure out where this is on my hard drive, I could pick I could pick a file in my project folder, and then I could say Show in Explorer. And when I show in Explorer, this is Windows Explorer from my operating system. And right here, it's listing out the path. Or right here on my C drive, Omar folder, Unity folder, tutorials folder, and the assets folder. So if I want to save something, I'm going to have to put it in this folder. So over here, I'm going to go back to the images. I'm going to pick one, I don't know, pick one, and I'm going to save it. I have to put it in the assets folder of my project. So it said C drive, Omar, what did it say, Unity, and then tutorials. Now here's my project folder, and this is the assets folder of my project folder. So here the image is a JPEG, JPG, and I'll say save. I'm just going to use the name it had. It's called images.jpg. And I'm using Google Chrome, so when that circle stops flashing, it finished downloading. Okay, now here it is, Omar Unity Tutorials Assets, Images JPEG. This is from looking from Windows Explorer. Now let's look inside Unity by focusing back on the Unity window, and there it is, there's the images file. Now that the images file is there, I could drag and drop it, use it as a texture. Okay? So that's why it's important to know, even though in Unity, you'll have all your files here, you may need to get some files from somewhere else and add them to your project. That's why it's important to know how to use Windows Explorer too, which could be also, other than right-clicking and saying Show in Explorer from Unity, you could open up Explorer here and right-click, and I can open up my File Explorer and then just browse around my hard drive to the location of my project. Okay, Unity Tutorials 1 Assets. Thank you.